G'day guys, Mike here, welcome back. So I'm back at it again, and today I'm starting the arbour for the entrance to the front garden. So the materials that we're going to be using for this arbour are blue board, polystyrene, PVC pipes and some treated pine. So we're going to be cladding the polystyrene with the blue board. We're going to be using this for the slats that go up and over the arbour for the climber to climb past, and then we're going to be using the treated pine to support the lattice that will go along each side. So one other thing we need, obviously, the lattice. So it's going to be cheap, but it's going to look awesome. So can't wait to get into it. I'll work out my radius and I'll start cutting my curves on the blue board here. So after some quick measurements, worked out that the external radius will be 1990 and the internal one will be 1870. So I'm going to have a 120 wide box that will be the arches. So I'm going to push this out, set my pin, mark my radius on the bottom of the sheet, and then I'll cut as many as I can out of this, and then they'll all join together with the styrene behind, all glued together with liquid nails, and it will make a strong structure that I can then render later on. So I'll get in, mark the first one, cut my pattern, make sure it's nice, and then I can mark off the whole sheet and cut them all. With my haste, guys, I forgot to divide it by 2 for the radius. I made it the diameter, which is going to be huge, cover the whole yard. So scrap these, start again. That's why I always put them together and check it out before I go too far, make sure I'm on the right track. First side of one arch done. So I need 6 of these, so that's 2.5 pieces I need. So, so that's 12, 15 pieces of those. So it looks like I'll get, well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, broke 5. Almost get them out of that one sheet. So I've got 2 lots here now, so one face up, one face down. I've marked all the joints, so now when that goes, gets the polystyrene sandwiched in between, it'll be an exact match. So now I'll go and cut the polystyrene, so I'll work out, that was 120 and I've got 35, so that's 4 of them, isn't it? Close enough to, or maybe a 3 at 35 and 1 at 25, something like that. So I've got to cut them out now. I might make it solid. I was going to do it in strips, but I might just make it solid. I think it'll be a better, stronger structure. So I'll go and cut polystyrene and then we can have the fun of gluing it together. that's about all I'm going to have time for today, guys. So making up a little jig here to make some mouldings, and I'll show you the arch that I've finished. I've got 2 more to make, so that's 1 down with 2 more to go. So I've got my 3 layers of foam in between the 2 layers of cement sheeting. So that came out pretty good. I was pretty happy with that. So it's going to have a moulding that goes around the outside, or with the outside circumference, and that will be on the front and on the back, not in all the middle sections. So I'll let that go hard. I'll see how that is tomorrow. I'm sure it'll be solid, one structural solid piece by tomorrow once the liquid nails dries. And yeah, I'll get in and make 2 more of those. And the legs, they're going to be easy enough because we've got the big piece of foam over there. So I just got to add 1 more layer onto that to build that up to a square piece. So yeah, pretty happy with today's work. So I'll go inside and I'll edit this now. So let me know, guys, what you think, if you reckon this is a good idea or not. I reckon it's going to come out a treat, so we'll see when it's all done. And until the next video, you take care, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.